Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pesto sandwich, full guide. Begin by spreading pesto evenly on both slices of bread to lock in flavor and moisture, then layer thinly sliced tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and arugula for texture. Drizzle a touch of olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Press gently, then toast or grill briefly until cheese softens and bread is golden for a perfect balance. Start with quality ingredients and keep it simple for the best sandwich. Choose basil that smells fragrant, ripe tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and a pesto that isn't overly oily. Layer thoughtfully so each bite has herb, cream, and acid. Consider adding a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of crushed red pepper for brightness and warmth. Assemble just before serving to maintain texture and avoid soggy bread. If this guide helps you, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart navigation, so crumbs from your pesto sandwich don't stand a chance, and it feels a little ridiculous in the best way. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble with care and a few easy tricks to elevate every bite. Spread pesto on both slices so seasoning is consistent, then layer cheese, tomatoes, and greens in thin, even layers. Lightly press the sandwich and let it rest for a minute to settle flavors and reduce sliding. If you like melted cheese, grill for a short time until just soft. Slice on a bias and serve immediately for best texture and temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.